Okay guys, lower body workout today. You're gonna use your heavy lower body band, the thickest one you have. If you don't have a super thick one, you can take two lighter ones and double them up on each other and a pair of dumbbells, okay? I'm just using these dumbbells to demonstrate. I am not recommending these weights. You should be with heavier weights, especially when it comes to lower body. All right, so our first movement has 3 parts to it. You're gonna do all 3 parts, rest, and then complete it. All 3 parts equal 1 rep. Good job, Max. Okay, you're gonna take your band, you're gonna put it above your knees. All right, so you're gonna take your band and we're gonna go with our dumbbells at our hips. We're gonna do some hip bridges. So I'm gonna put some good tension on that band. I'm gonna widen my knees as much as I can, get some nice tension on the outside of my hips. I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna try real hard through all my reps not to let my knees come towards each other at all. So keeping that hard tension. You're gonna put dumbbells at your hips. You can hold them like this or like this. That is completely preference and which one feels better to you. I personally right now like it like this. So I'm gonna come like this and you're gonna drive up and you're gonna squeeze as hard as you can, hold for 3 counts. So I'm squeezing my glutes and I'm squeezing out at the same time. I'm gonna hold for 1, 2, 3, lower. Right back in, just a very small lower. I don't want you to come all the way to the floor and release, okay? So drive up, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, lower. 1, 2, 3. So you have 10 like that. When you're done with those 10, you're gonna do 10 full range of motion. So drop and drive. 1, 2, 3 to 10. On that 10th one, you're gonna hold it at the top and you're gonna squeeze as hard as you can for 10 counts. For 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10, okay? All 3 movements, 10 counts apiece, equals 1 rep, all right? Movement 2 is reverse lunges. All right, with your dumbbells at your side, you're gonna do reverse lunges. You're gonna do all 12 on one leg and then 12 on the other. So I'm gonna put my weight in my left heel, shoulders are back, chest is up, and I'm gonna reverse lunge, okay? And I'm gonna stay all on this side for all 12 reps. I should be feeling most of the work in my standing leg, okay? So I'm gonna do 12 on the left, 12 on the right. Movement number 3 is split squats. Same thing, you're gonna stay all on one side for 12 reps and then switch to the other. Split squats is just a big lunge that we hold in place. Keep your toes as straight a line as you can. You don't wanna be out here. You're gonna be right here, shoulders back, and I wanna try and tap that back knee to the floor if I can, okay? So all 12 reps right there, and then I would switch legs and go to the other side, all right? Next is a plie squat. So you can hold 2 dumbbells or you can hold 1 really heavy dumbbell like this. Again, it depends on what weight you have and preference. I typically like to go heavy with these so I can hold 1 big heavy dumbbell. If you don't have 1 big heavy one and you can hold 2 to equal 1 big heavy one, do that, okay? So toes go out at a 45, stack your shoulders over your hips. Abs are in nice and tight. You're gonna try and lower down as far as you can and drive up, all right? The key with plie squats is squeezing the outside of your hips. So I wanna squeeze my glutes together in my standing position and I wanna hold that glute squeeze all the way down. I wanna keep tension on the back sides of my thighs so that my knees do not collapse forward when I go into my plie, okay? So holding my dumbbells, squeeze those glutes, shoulders are back, chest is high, down and up. Squeezing those glutes as tight together as you can, all the way down, all the way up, okay? Those are your plie squats. Next, we have body weight squats. Body weight squats with your band. So you need your heavy mini band again, back over those knees. So you're gonna get nice and wide. Again, I want some good tension on the outside of my hips, toes are straight ahead, shoulders are back, abs are in nice and tight. I'm gonna lower down as low as I can, hold for 1, 2, 3. Drive up, squeeze, and then right back in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pushing out on those knees, keeping my weight in my heels, my shoulders are back, my back is flat, and hold those squats for 3 counts in the bottom of the movement. All right, next, is 100 X-abs. All right, so you got your lower body done. You're gonna do 100 X-abs. You guys know X-abs by now. You're gonna lay in a great big X, okay? Full on version, arm is over the head. You're gonna come up, make some room. You're gonna come up and reach for that opposite hand to foot, okay? If that's too much for you, or if you have lower back issues, you're gonna focus on getting the shoulder off of the floor and bringing your foot to your hand more than trying to get your torso up off the floor. Okay, so I'm either full X-ab or modified X-ab. All right, you pick, each leg is one, you have 100 of them, and that's your lower body workout.